pro, so it was like, they only like do your thing. Ah! Like, close or shut their mouth, and then that's the cool thing about animation. You can open their mouth again, and like, maybe their arms or something bigger than smaller, like sideways, and you could add noise to it. But this is like a pro, like there. Pick me, pick me. And you like you could cut that like that, and you could right here and this me. You could take this. Pick me, pick me, pick me. Open the mouth. Pick me. So that's one move. So you got to like pick me wherever. So we do that. Pick me. And just pick me. Move it around. And also you have to time whenever. So I like go here and then pick me. You make a little sigh when the mouth is open, because why not? And then the game starts, you just empty the frame. And then you just put a big line, and then put yourself, and put like obstacles, like cool obstacles, like that, and oops, okay, that always happens to me. Most of the time, double the frame. Remember to do that. And if you actually do something, you just let that. Or you can move the slide a little bit. Or you can like do this if the accident happens. And number 25 is gonna be just to move a little bit every time, just a tiny bit, and then you can make that happen and say, just say ow somewhere. Ow! Ow! And just like do that like that, and you move the thing in. Ow! What? You can like ow! What? When that happens, you can. Ow! What? Ow! And what? Just. I'm not sure if you put it back up for 2 like that, but for now, let's shrink it to add more frames like this, and now, wow, so now, pick me, ow, pick me, ow, see, that's animation, and then you can just put the legs off, and you put like a little, press undo. You put the little black, and like just put that. 2 arms, 2 legs, and now go right here, circle it, and then just put it out of the frame or something. And add like a few frames out of the frame. Go to the next frame. Put like some kind of wavy thing out now. But you can make your own. And like you spawn here and like to sunset, and like add more, and say Oh. 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 And that one makes sense. You drag it. Like somewhere over here somewhere. I don't know, guys, but... Oh. There. So, I guess that's it. Joking. Just move it. Keep moving it. Go on. And you just gonna go here and then just gonna do this. Add if you already won. Like, just add slice. Like, what? Oops, and don't mistake anything. And, but like, uh, 120. He already won, did he? He already won, did. Yeah, just add it a little bit. Update. Won, did he? So now swatching. 31 did he? Pick me. Ow. Oh. 31 did he? Pick me. Alright. 31 did he? Make the end go there. The end. Good. I usually do this. Make it about black. This big star. And right there. Do it the blockbuster. And say smile for me thing. And just add more frames of it, and then you're done with your animation. Just export the make camera roll and upload it to YouTube. If you forgot how to do that, it's super easy. So upload you can do YouTube cancel. You go to YouTube. So I draw on the lead tree. Looks good. It's my no, I don't know. Go there. Press the play button. You go there. Pick me. And two guys in a and I add a description and say Lord, put everything like let's do some and press next upload, and that's pretty much it.